Hello friends, nice to see you on the Home Tips channel. Have you ever tried mixing toothpaste with citric acid? If you have never done this before, I recommend giving it a try. The result is a very effective cleaning paste that perfectly cleans various surfaces. Let's start by preparing the cleaning solution. Take a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of citric acid. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. In this case, you can use the toothpaste that didn't work for you or buy the cheapest one at the store. The advantage of toothpaste is that it's not a harsh chemical, it's also great for cleaning, it cleans surfaces well without scratching, and it smells nice. Mix the toothpaste with citric acid well. Now add 100 ml of boiling water to this mixture. Mix everything well again, and the cleaning product is ready. Let me tell you and show you where to use it. If you have hard water, limescale deposits on your tiles and shower glass are common, but with the right cleaning product, they can be removed very easily. Wet the surface with water. Using a damp sponge, take a small amount of the prepared product and spread it over the dirty surface. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, then wipe the surface with a damp sponge. Watch, the water and soap stains disappear before your eyes. Next, rinse the surface with running water. And wipe dry. For glass and tiles, it is best to use a water squeegee. Afterward, wipe all joints and crevices with a dry clean cloth. Look how well this mixture did its job. This is what the glass looked like before. And this is what it looks like after cleaning. Clean, perfectly clear. The cleaning solution perfectly removed plaque and limescale deposits. Limescale can also build up on your faucet and sink in just a few days. With this paste, you can quickly clean it all off. Using a damp sponge, spread the product evenly over the faucet and sink. In areas where deposits tend to accumulate, typically under the faucet and on the sink drain, apply paper towels to prevent the cleaner from drying out and to allow it to remain in contact with the stains longer. After half an hour, remove the paper towels and finish cleaning the sink with a brush and sponge. Citric acid effectively removes limescale and disinfects. Therefore, a solution made from these two ingredients is very effective. No mineral deposits remain on or underneath the faucet. The sink looks like new after cleaning. Yellowing, stickiness and gray residue are easily removed. When you are finished cleaning, rinse off any remaining cleaning paste with water, then wipe the surface dry. Here is a simple and affordable way to restore your bathroom's shine, so be sure to try mixing toothpaste with citric acid and see for yourself. By the way, this product is very economical to use, so even a small amount can clean a lot. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, see you in more videos.